Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. The numpy.finfo class in the NumPy library provides information about the floating point data types in NumPy. It can be used to obtain the smallest and largest representable positive numbers, the smallest representable number greater than 0, machine epsilon, and other properties related to floating point types. ### Key attributes of numpy.finfo. EPS, the difference between 1 and the least value greater than 1 that is representable, machine epsilon. Max, the largest representable positive finite number. Min, the smallest positive normalized floating point number. Tiny, the smallest positive subnormal number. Type, the data type that this finfo object describes. ### Example code. Here's a step-by-step example that demonstrates how to use numpy.finfo with the float32 and float64 data types. ### Output explanation. When you run the code above, you will get output similar to this. ### Summary. The numpy.finfo class is a useful tool for understanding the properties of floating point types in NumPy. It helps you to know the limits of the data types you are working with, which is particularly useful when performing numerical computations to avoid overflow and underflow issues. The example provided demonstrates how to retrieve important attributes for both float32 and float64, which are commonly used data types in scientific computing. Feel free to modify the code to explore other floating point types supported by NumPy.